In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import budgets in Xero. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a thorough understanding of how to get your budgeting data into Xero efficiently. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Xero's homepage. If you're already familiar with Xero's site, this should be straightforward, but if not, simply type Xero into your search engine, and it should be among the top results. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the link titled Xero, Accounting Software for Small Businesses. As you arrive on the Xero webpage, you should see a login option. Click on that to access your account. If you're not already logged in, this will be your cue to enter your credentials to proceed. Once you're logged into your account, look around the dashboard until you find the Reporting option. This is where you'll find all the reports and budgeting tools that Xero offers. After clicking Reporting, you'll need to search for the All Reports section. From here, you will find a list that contains various report options. Please select All Reports to see a comprehensive list of all available reports you can access. Next, click on Budget Manager. The Budget Manager is Xero's dedicated tool for handling budgets within your account. Here, you'll have multiple options to explore and manage your budgets effectively. With Budget Manager open, you'll see an Import button. Click on it to start the process of importing your budget. This step is crucial as it allows you to bring in data from other applications or spreadsheets into Xero. On the next screen, there will be a Browse button. Click this to search your computer for the budget file you wish to upload. Ideally, this file should be in a format that Xero can recognize, such as a CSV file. Make sure that your file is formatted correctly to avoid any errors during the importing process. Once you've selected your file, click on the Import button. This will initiate the import process, so sit tight while Xero processes your file. The time it takes can vary based on the size of the file and your internet connection speed. A progress indicator might show you how the import is going. And there you have it. You've successfully imported your budget into Xero. With this task complete, you can now manage and adjust your budgets right within Xero, providing you with clarity and control over your financial planning. This tool is a powerful asset for any small business looking to streamline its budgeting process. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to explore the additional features Xero offers to maximize your financial management capabilities.